Okay. Good afternoon, my dear children.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good everyone.
How are you,
How are
ma'am?
you? Ah,
How are
fine,
you,
fine.
ma'am?
What about
Fine,
you?
thank you, ma'am. Fine,
Richard,
Fine,
what are you
thank you,
thinking
ma'am.
something so seriously?
No, ma'am.
Nothing. Okay. Vishnu Venu, Amna Fatima, John Sebi, Catherine Maria, please turn on your cameras. Okay, in the last class, we had discussed about longitudes.
Yes,
Risin, can you tell me what are longitudes? What are longitudes? We know that longitudes
Yes,
are
ma'am.
imaginary lines.
Longitudes are imaginary lines.
Yes.
Ma'am,
And they run from North Pole to South Pole.
to
Anandesh,
South Pole.
they run from North
Yes,
Pole
ma'am.
to
There was
South
a
Pole.
mirror here, ma'am.
Then the most important longitude is Shreya?
Meridian.
Greenwich
Also
meridian, otherwise known as prime
meridian.
meridian. Okay, so 0° longitude is known as prime meridian, and prime meridian divides the earth into two equal parts. Pavitra, what are they?
And North Pole and South Pole.
What?
No.
Sri Shankar, keep quiet.
What is the question?
Greenwich meridian divides the earth into two equal parts. What are the two equal parts? Cheryl Mary?
Yes, ma'am. The Western Hemisphere and the Eastern Hemisphere.
Yes, Eastern Hemisphere and Western Hemisphere. Shiva Gayatri, how many longitudes are there?
180.
How many longitudes are there? 360. So there are 360 longitudes. So in that,
180 in the West,
0 to 180
in the
lines lying in
0
the
to
Eastern
180 in
Hemisphere
the East
and 0 to
180.
180 lies in the Western Hemisphere. So there are total 360 longitudes. Okay. Today we are going to discuss a new topic. The topic is time and longitude. Time and longitude. So every
Ma'am, in the last class, you also
country in the
discussed
world
about
uses a specific longitude to calculate the time. So every country in the world uses a specific longitude to calculate the time.
No, sorry, time.
Who is shouting in the class? So every country in the world uses a specific longitude to calculate the time for the people living there. So we know that there are 360 longitudes. These longitudes are passing in different countries.
Yes,
or no?
ma'am.
So there are 360 longitudes. Every country or these longitudes are passing in almost all over the countries. Okay. So every country in the world uses a specific longitude to calculate the time for the people living there. So the 0° meridian is known as GMT. 0° meridian is known as GMT. So what is the full form of GMT?
Greenwich means
Greenwich meridian.
Greenwich meridian.
Greenwich mean time. It is not meridian. Greenwich mean time.
Yes.
Greenwich means
All of you look at board. You can see 0°.
yes, ma'am.
yes,
You can
ma'am.
see 0° meridian. 0° meridian, otherwise known as prime meridian
Prime meridian.
or Greenwich meridian. Okay, the time of this particular area is known as GMT. So what's the full form of GMT? Greenwich.
Greenwich means time.
Okay, Greenwich.
Green mean time. Greenwich mean
Greenwich means
Wait.
Greenwich
Greenwich
mean time.
meridian time.
mean time. Mean time. GMT. Okay.
T.
So this one is 0°. So the time of this particular area is known as GMT. So we know that Greenwich
GMT.
meridian divides the earth into two equal parts.
Two equal
Eastern hemisphere,
Southern-
then Western
Western
hemisphere.
hemisphere.
Okay, so 0° longitude is known as prime meridian, otherwise
Prime
known as
meridian or
Greenwich
Greenwich
meridian. Okay,
Greenwich meridian.
so there are 24 time zones are there in the world. So there are 24
24
time zones. So in the world there are 24
24.
time zones. Okay, so in that 12 time zones lying in the eastern hemisphere and the other 12 time zones are lying in the western hemisphere.
Western
So there are 24 time zones. So there are 24 time zones in the world. In that 12 time zones lying in the eastern hemisphere and the 12 time zones lying in the western hemisphere. If you look at the map, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, like that you can see up to 12
Yes, ma'am.
in the eastern hemisphere. Likewise, you can see in the western hemisphere also.
Yes.
Okay, so there are 24 time zones in the world.
Ma'am, these all points are
Okay,
in
there
the
are
textbook, right?
24 time zones in the world. In that, 12 time zones lying in the eastern hemisphere and the other 12 time zones are lying in the
Western hemisphere.
western hemisphere. Okay,
All points are there in the textbook, right? Or is this another?
Shreya, I couldn't hear properly.
Ma'am, these all points are there in the textbook, right?
Ah, yes, yes.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Later, wait.
Ma'am, Russia is a big country, so,
So
the
there are 15 longitudes in one time zone. There are 15 longitudes in one time zone.
Times.
How many time zones are there?
24.
24.
24
In one
time
time
zones.
zone. That means from 0 to 1, one time zone. 1 to 2, another one time zone. 2 to 3, another one time zone. So
Time
in
zone.
each time zone, there are 15 longitudes. In one time zone, there are 15 longitudes. So how many time zones are there?
24 time zones.
4. Okay. How many longitudes are there in one time zone?
15 longitudes.
15. Then what is the answer? 15 into 24? 360. So how many longitudes are there?
360.
360 longitudes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Russia.
You can see Russia here.
Yes, ma'am.
Then you look at the time zones.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So there are total 24 time zones in the world. In
Yes.
the eastern hemisphere, there are 12 and the western hemisphere, there are 12. So 12 plus 12 is equal to 24. So there are total 24 time zones in the world. Okay. In each time
Okay,
zone,
ma'am.
that means from 0 to 1, there are 15 longitudes. Like that, from 1 to 2, 15 lines are there. Then 2 to 3, 15 lines of longitudes. 3 to 4, 15 lines of longitudes. So there are total 24 time zones and each time zone there are 15 longitudes. So total there are 360 longitudes. So already we studied that there are 360
Longitudes.
longitudes.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
The time difference.
Okay, ma'am.
The time difference between each longitude is 4 minutes.
Yes, ma'am. That we have studied.
4 minutes.
Yes, ma'am.
4 minutes. 4
Yes, ma'am.
minutes. Okay. So the
Okay,
time
ma'am.
difference between each longitude, each longitude is 4 minutes.
4
Example,
minutes.
this is 1 degree
4 minutes
east.
minus or
Then what is the time? Example, the time of this area is 12 o'clock. Suppose. Then what about the time of 1 degree, 2 degree east?
12 for
12,
4.
4 minutes.
12 4.
That means the time difference of each longitude is 4 minutes. Okay, children?
Yes.
The time difference
Okay, ma'am.
between each longitude is 4
minutes.
4 minutes.
minutes. Okay.
I did not understand clearly. Can you explain one more time?
What, Gautam?
Ma'am, I have some internet issue, so I can't hear properly. I did not understand your portion. No.
Ma'am, I also have.
Okay. Just now what we said about the word GMT. So what is the full form of GMT?
Greenwich Mean
In
Time.
which meet time?
Yes, Greenwich Mean
Greenwich
Time.
Mean
How many
Time.
time zones are there?
24.
24 time zones.
Time zone.
Okay. In the 24 time zones, 12 time zones are lying in the eastern hemisphere and the 12 time zones are lying in the
Western
Western
Western hemisphere.
sphere. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
So 12 time zones are lying in the western hemisphere and the 12 time zones are lying in the
Eastern
Eastern
Hemisphere.
eastern
Hemisphere.
hemisphere. Okay. Then in one time zone, there are 15 longitudes. In one time zone, there are
Longitude.
15
Longitude.
longitudes.
Longitude.
And the time
Longitudes.
difference of each longitude is 4 minutes.
4 minutes.
And the time difference
minutes.
Ma'am, each
Between
longitude or
each longitude is 4
4
minutes.
minutes.
ma'am, each longitude or each time zone.
That means one time zone. Is equal to 1 hour.
Okay, ma'am.
One time zone is equal to 1 hour.
1
One
hour.
time zone is equal to 1 hour. That means 15
Into
into 4 minutes. What is the answer?
1.
60. Yes,
60 minutes. 60 minutes means
1 hour.
1 hour.
1 hour.
60 minutes, 1 hour.
60 minutes means 1 hour. So one time zone means 1 hour.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Understood.
Understood, ma'am.
Then there are two words.
Ma'am.
EGA, WLS.
Excuse me, ma'am.
EGA and okay. EGA, WLS. Any idea?
No, ma'am.
No idea. Very good.
Western,
I will study it.
Eastern and Western. Yes.
Okay, that you have understood. Okay, Eastern and Western.
Yes, ma'am. East and west.
Okay,
I haven't studied
that means from Greenwich Mean Time. Example, if you are moving from Greenwich Mean Time to the eastwards, if you are moving from,
plus.
if you are moving from GMT or Greenwich Mean Time to the eastwards, time will increase.
Add. Yes,
Time
ma'am.
will increase.
Increase.
Likewise, if you are moving from GMT to the westwards, time will decrease.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Reduce.
Okay. Listen again. GMT, Greenwich Mean Time.
Greenwich Mean
If
Time.
you are moving from Greenwich Mean Time to the eastward or the eastern side or to the eastern hemisphere, what will happen? Time will increase.
Increase.
For 4
Then,
minutes.
if you are moving from GMT to the western side
Time will
or
decrease.
westward,
will decrease.
western hemisphere,
Time will decrease.
time will
Decrease.
decrease. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
That is
Okay, ma'am.
EGA. East, gain, add. East, gain,
West.
add.
East gain and
East, gain, add. That means we have to add.
left sub
When we are moving from GMT to the eastern countries or eastern side, what will happen? The time will increase. We have to add. We have to add time. Then, if you are moving from GMT to the westwards, listen to me first. The time will decrease. WLS. West,
Please subtract.
lost, subtract.
Okay.
WLS. West, lost, subtract.
Okay.
That means we have to reduce the time.
Ma'am,
We have to
4 minutes,
minus
right?
it.
4 minutes,
If you are
right?
moving to the westwards, the time will increase. Okay. Now you listen.
Ma-
The time of the GMT is 12 o'clock. Just you think that the time of the GMT or the time of this line is 12 o'clock. Then what would be the time of 1 degree east?
12:04 a.m.
12
4
a.m.
12, 4
AM.
4
AM or PM?
4 a.m.
PM.
PM.
PM only.
PM.
Then what would be the time of 2 degree east?
4 AM.
11:56.
12, 8. Why? Because we have to add 4 minutes, 4
4
minutes.
to the-
Already we said that the time difference between each longitude is 4
4.
minutes.
4 minutes.
So 1 degree east means 12.4. 2 degree east, 12.8.
12.8.
Degree east, 12 p.m.
Yes, ma'am. Add
So
it
like that, the
4.
time will increase.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Then coming to the western side, again the time of the GMT is 12 o'clock. Then what would be the time of 1 degree west?
11:56 a.m.
11:56 AM.
11:56 AM or PM?
11:56 a.m.
AM. 11 up to
AM.
AM only.
Yes.
a.m.
So what we have done here?
That we have subtracted 4.
Yes,
Subtracted
we subtracted. That's what? West,
with
loss, gain. Sorry, west, loss, subtract. So when we are moving into western side, time will increase. If you are moving
Increase.
into
Increase.
eastern hemisphere,
Decrease.
time will
decrease. Increase.
increase.
Decrease.
Increase.
Increase. Opposite. Really.
Increase.
Proceed.
Increase.
Increase.
Sorry, ma'am. Sorry.
Okay. So here increasing and here decreasing.
Decreasing.
Is that clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Now we are
ma'am.
coming to our India.
Ma'am, I thought it was west, so I told decrease.
Excuse me, ma'am. So 1 degree means 4 minutes.
Now we are going to discuss about
Our India.
Bharat.
Ma'am, are you talking?
why do we have standard time? Why do we have standard time? All of you look at the map. You can see Tropic of
And-
Cancer.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am.
My question is, Tropic of Cancer is a latitude or longitude?
Latitude. Because it's horizontal.
Okay, latitude. So Tropic of Cancer is a latitude. It is one of the most important
Latitude.
latitude.
Attitude.
And it divides the earth into two parts.
2 parts.
It divides the earth
Two
into
parts.
2 parts.
Two parts.
It divides the earth into 2
2
parts.
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 Okay. Then we know that. What we know? We know about longitude. No, we know
Yes, ma'am,
about
we know the
longitude.
Ma'am.
And do you know what is the extension of India?
Standard.
No, ma'am.
What is the longitudinal extension of
80.
India?
82.5 east.
Yes, standard.
68
Sorry, ma'am.
degree
68 degree east.
Okay.
to 97 degree
degree
east.
East.
We know that India lies in the eastern hemisphere.
Yeah.
That's why we use here E.
Eastern Northern Hemisphere.
Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
There are two imaginary lines. One is latitude and the other one is
Longitude.
longitude.
Ma'am, axis.
In
Ma'am,
case
what
of
about
latitude, in
Yes,
case
ma'am.
of latitude, India lies in the northern hemisphere.
Yes, ma'am.
yes,
India
ma'am.
lies in the northern hemisphere.
Northern
In
hemisphere.
longitude wise, India lies in the eastern
Eastern
hemisphere.
hemisphere.
Okay, so the longitudinal extension of India, the longitudinal extension of India is 68 degree east to 97 degree
East.
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 Ma'am, what about the
Listen, the prime meridian divide the earth into two hemispheres. So India lies in the eastern hemisphere. India lies in the eastern
Eastern hemisphere.
sphere, and the longitudinal extension of India is 68 degree to 97 degree.
97 degree?
Okay.
East, right, ma'am?
So nearly 30 lines are passing through India.
India.
Yes or no? 97 minus
Yes, ma'am.
68.
37.
What is the answer?
37.
37.
37.
37.
What?
39.
39.
31.
30.
29. That
Nine.
means nearly 30 longitudes are passing through India.
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 Which is the easternmost point of India?
East.
Eastern
Which is the easternmost point of India?
ma'am, Assam.
Ma'am, easternmost.
Easternmost point, or which state comes under the easternmost point of India?
Jammu Kashmir.
Assam, Meghalaya.
Assam.
Arunachal Pradesh. Then what about the westernmost point of India?
Ma'am, Andhra. Gujarat.
Very good.
Gujarat.
Okay. So westernmost point of India is Gujarat, and the easternmost point of India is Arunachal Pradesh.
Arunachal Pradesh.
Okay. So from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh, there is a time gap of 2 hours.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
There is a time gap of 2
2
hours.
hours.
Why? Because there are 30 longitudes are passing or crossing in our India. So we know that the time difference between each longitude is 4 minutes.
4 minutes.
Excuse me,
So
ma'am.
from easternmost point of India to the westernmost point of India, there is a time gap. There is a time lag. There is a time lag of 2 hours.
2 hours.
So, ma'am, in one state.
Okay, so
itself,
example. Yes, Richard is traveling from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh. What will happen to him?
2 hours. Then.
It's 2 hours.
2 hours.
He is traveling in a train. Okay, just think that he is traveling in a train. So he started his journey from Arunachal Pradesh to Gujarat.
Gujarat.
So we know that there is a time gap of 2 hours. So what will happen to him?
Will become sleepy.
He
Right.
He will be too overly early.
Hmm?
He will be too overly early in the clock in Arunachal Pradesh.
That means he will face lot of confusion. Always he want to
Yes,
change
ma'am.
his time.
Yes.
Yes or no? Whenever he is
Yes,
crossing
ma'am.
one longitude, he has to change his time.
Change his
He cannot
time.
travel properly. He cannot do his work properly. Sometimes he will not get the transport properly because there is a time lag. So is it
Time.
possible for a particular country like India?
No.
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
So we
Ma'am,
fixed
attendance.
standard
Ma'am,
meridian.
Ma'am, attendance.
Yeah. Yes. Okay.
Standard meridian.
Ma'am, I don't understand. Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Wait.
0.5.
ELS.
Why do we have standard time? The local time of places which are on different meridians are bound to different. So we know that the time is different.
Yes, ma'am.
There is
Yes, ma'am.
a time gap between
Time gap to
each longitude. So the local time of a place which are on different meridians are bound to different. So in India, for instance, there will be a difference of about 1 hour and 45 minutes in the local time of Dwaraka in Gujarat and Dibrugarh in Assam. So here we are I'm mentioning about two states. One is Gujarat and next one is Assam.
Assam.
So there is a
Assam.
time gap or there is a time gap between these two states. What's the time gap between these two states?
2
1 hour and 45
And
minutes.
45 minutes.
1 hour and 45 minutes.
Okay. Just now I said there is a time difference between Gujarat and Arunachal Pradesh. Because Gujarat is the westernmost point of India and Arunachal Pradesh is the easternmost
easternmost
point of. So there is a time lag of 2 hours. There's a time lag of 2
hours.
Hours.
So, in India, the longitude of 82 degree 30-minute east is treated as the standard meridian.
Ma'am, attendance.
Okay, to avoid such kind of
Okay,
confusion or for our convenience, we adopt a local time. A local time
82.
as standard
Standard
meridian. Standard meridian. The
Meridian.
local time at this meridian is taken as the standard time for the whole country. It is known as Indian Standard Time.
IST.
See,
Time.
you can see Indian Standard Time.
IST.
Yes, ma'am.
Indian Standard Time. So it is a longitude. The degree of that longitude is 82 degree 30 minutes.
Excuse me.
Time is over.
And this line is passing through Mirzapur.
Mirzapur.
This line is passing through Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh.
Mirzapur.
Mirzapur.
Full form of that ELS. Full form.
Wait. Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of 30
Okay, ma'am.
to 30 minutes?
30 minutes.
Ma'am, can you show
Okay,
me slide
30
of
minutes. Already we said that there is a time difference between each longitude is 4 minutes. So when we calculate, it comes as 82 degree 30 minutes.
Ma'am, so in India there are two time zones.
Okay, dear children, anyway, the time up. We will continue in the next class. So at that time, you can clarify your doubts. I can say more details about the Indian Standard Time. Okay, thank you. Thank you.